Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto.
In the last few days, Bitcoin's price action has followed a familiar rhythm. My trading activity has been adding up at successive dips, fully consistent with strategy models that have been tested across multiple timeframes. Looking at the hourly chart, we can see several important signals. Multiple green dots formed at recent lows, first at 112,500, then at 110,900, and most recently at 109,500. These levels are connected, suggesting a divergence that has historically preceded recoveries. The MACD indicator has also crossed upward, pointing to potential momentum if current conditions hold. Key checkpoints to watch are 111,000 and 112,000. Both were previously important support areas that need to be regained for structure to stabilize. On the other side, 109,300 is serving as a notable support level, likely to buffer against deeper declines. Switching to the heat maps, on the one-day view, the strongest concentration sits at 113,400, with 108,000 below current prices. On the 3-day chart, the key point is around 116,400. On the 1-week view, the most visible area rests at 117,400. Across low to medium timeframes, these points lean toward upward continuation if current structures hold. ETF flow data adds another layer to the picture. On the 25th of August, inflows totaled $219 million, with no recorded outflows. Two major providers were active again, contributing roughly $65.6 million and $63.4 million, respectively. In related news, Michael Saylor's strategy announced the addition of 3,081 Bitcoin on the 25th, valued at about $356.9 million at an average price of $115,829 per coin. As of August 24th, their reported total stands at 632,457 Bitcoin, accumulated for approximately $46.5 billion. It is notable to see large-scale accumulation continuing, even while retail participants and smaller holders appear more cautious. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. Click the like button if you found value in this video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next update.
And see you in the next one.